Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video. You guys love my video where I gave you 4 things and 4 jobs that you can do working from home, and I got a lot of questions about the Amazon video review program, how it works, how you can sign up and get paid without even having too large of a social media presence. So that is exactly what we're going to go over today. All things Amazon video review. Let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, one of the number one questions I received is, how do you get started doing this? In order for you to be paid for the video reviews you do on Amazon products directly on their website, you must first be a part of the influencer program. So, one of the main requirements for the influencer program is you need to have some type of social media presence. You need to at least have a TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, something of that nature. So, I will be sure to link the requirements to get your influencer account approved up above so you can get started with that, and put the link in the description just so you guys can have more details. So that's number one. We must get our influencer account. The next thing that we're going to do is, in order for you to get paid for these reviews, you do not need to make TikTok and YouTube videos and say, go to my Amazon storefront. I know y'all tired of seeing that, and you may not want to do that anyway. You don't even have to show your face with this option. So, with Amazon video reviews, the only thing that you need to do is go into your Amazon account. We're going to go to our Amazon account, and we're going to go to all of our old orders, and we're going to start looking at things that we've previously purchased. Once you click on one of those items, you're going to go down to the review section. If that item does not have an actual video review there of somebody showing or talking about the product, you are in luck. That's your first item you're going to start reviewing, because you will get paid for everyone who watches that video and then goes and purchases that said item. So, for example, if you previously bought a t-shirt and you really liked it, you went to the review section, there's no video. You're going to make a 30 to 60-second video, because in order for you to be paid, they must watch 30 seconds of your said video. So you're going to make your video. You don't have to show your face. You don't even have to talk. You can just simply show the product and show how it works. And then from there, you want to be the first person or the only person to make that video review, so that when people watch it and then they go purchase, every time they do that, you're going to get a commission. And you're getting it directly and putting it directly on the site, so you don't have to worry about showing, interacting, showing your face. It's a much simpler process for you to give video reviews and still get paid directly from Amazon themselves. So that is my first advice. Number one, we started our influencer program. Our second step was, we went to our order history and checked for any videos that did not already have a video review. Thirdly, now we're going to go ahead and move forward with actually making our video review. So, for example, let's say I don't see a video review on a phone case. I want to make sure I get some decent lighting, get me a ring light. I'm going to use my iPhone and just take a good 30 to 60-second video of this phone case. Even if you did an unboxing of it, because people love unboxing, that's a good option for an item that you purchase if you want to do an unboxing or just show it. And we're going to upload our video and start waiting on the money to run in. So, the key thing to this is, you want to be the first or the only video on every item that you see. And then the second way that you starting these video reviews on Amazon is going to help you is, once you have your influencer account, people can see that you have a business email listed. And if you're frequently making videos on different items, companies are going to start reaching out to you via email, and they're going to start offering to pay you to make video reviews and also give you an affiliate link. And honestly, this is how I personally got started with my own brand deals and affiliate deals with companies, because they saw my YouTube videos. They reached out to me via email. And once I confirmed in Google that it wasn't a scam and they wasn't, trying to get me, I was able to close 4 different brand deals just by doing this. And I've had companies pay me up front to make an actual video review of whatever their product is. And then they give me an affiliate link that is associated with that said product. So I'm getting paid up front to make the video. Now, you get paid those 2 ways. It's great for you to work with a company that's going to give you an affiliate link, because that's your residual income. You could have made that video 6 months ago. Every time somebody purchases under your link, you're going to get paid. So that is a great option once you start doing these video reviews and you are in the influencer program. Different companies are going to reach out to you and they are going to offer you opportunities to get paid upfront and on a monthly basis on the residual back end. So that is another option for you guys who want to do Amazon video reviews. If you decide later to take things up to another level and, do more things on the forefront of your social media, that's great. But otherwise, if you want some easier money where you don't have to show your face, you don't have to do too much, this is a great option for you guys. I want to make sure that I'm giving you everything you need to make that extra residual income, because times are a little tricky. And you got to find different ways to make money. Just going to work isn't what it used to be. You have to find ways that you can make money from home without overworking yourself because you already have a job. And I think that this is a great option for you guys to get started. Let me know in the comments if you watched to the end. Comment you made it so I can know that you guys are watching with me. And if you have any other questions about the Amazon Influencer Program or doing the Amazon video reviews, what recommendations I may have for different things, please feel free to comment below. I'm happy to help you guys. And until next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.